Good morning, sunshine. Another beautiful day for farming.
Perfect. Just perfect. Ready for town. Oops. Almost got away, little guy.
Heave-ho! Almost there. Today is the day. Market day.
You ready, old friend? Time to shine.
Town needs fresh. Max has fresh. Let's go! Come on, Betsy. Wake up. Woohoo! She lives! She L-I-V-S. Click. Good and tight. No runaway veggies. Driver Max, ready for duty. Map, check. Snack, double check. See you later, everyone. Be good. Here we go. Adventure calls.
Nice and smooth, just like my veggies.
Fresh veggies on their way. Doo, doo, doo. Ooh, that was close. Onward. Just 1 mile. Almost there. Fresh vegetables for everyone. They'll love them. Wow. So many people. So much market.
Slow and steady. Don't spill the carrots.
Parked it. Time to sell. Looking good, looking fresh. Best in town.
Oh, Max, your vegetables always look so delightful. Picked this morning. Still got the dew. Oh, my. Thank you, Max. These will make a wonderful dinner.
My pleasure. Enjoy.
Cha-ching! Hard work pays off. Home sweet home. Here I come. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. My beautiful rice needs harvesting. Let's go, little rice! Max is here! So much work! But so much work! But so much rice! Yay! Whoa! Almost got it! Ha! Got one! Where did it go? Oh, my hat! Victory! My first batch! More! Getting good at this. Snip, snip. Woo-hoo. Careful. Ugh, heavy, but worth it. Almost there. Finally, home sweet home and harvest done. Whew. Fresh rice. Ready rice. Fried rice, here we come. Ah, my favorite, fried rice. Recipe time!
Carrots for crunch, peas for green, and eggs for yum. Everything in its place, ready to cook.
Whoa! My eyes! This onion is strong! Carrots are easier. Chop, chop, chop. Almost close perfect. Oops. Little visitor. Be gone, shell. Whew. Hot walk, hot walk. Let's get cooking. Woohoo!
Sizzle, sizzle. Ooh. Oh, that smells good already. Aha!
Stir, stir, stir. Whoa! Almost a flyaway pea. Rice in. Eggs in. Mix, mix, mix. Perfect.
Ah, the aroma. Just a little magic dust. Perfect.
Almost ready. A masterpiece on a plate. Woohoo! Oh, first bite. Here goes. Yay, yes, it's perfect. Best fried rice ever. Oh, good. All this hard work, worth every bite. Ah, full and happy. Max made it. All gone. Best fried rice. You should try it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ah, what a glorious morning. Time for work. Look at all this! It's even better than last year! Oof. You are a hefty one, aren't you? See, Buster? All for us. A feast. Whoops! Steady, Max, steady! Uh-oh, this is a lot of fruit.
Too heavy. Too heavy.
No, Buster, not for eating yet. For moving. There must be a better way. A bigger way. Aha! The big red thingy. It's our ride, Buster. Our big ride. All right, big fellow. Let's do this. Come on, you old rusty bucket. Vroom. Aha! Just like riding a tractor. made it, Buster. Time to load 'em up. Oh, Buster, my helpful helper. Nailed it! Almost professional, I'd say. We did it, partner. A harvest for the ages.
Here you go, Buster.
The Monkey Farmer, at your service. Next year, Buster, next year we double it. Ah, what a good sunup. This soil needs work. Uh-oh, sky changing. Rain. Soon, must hurry. My trusty steed. Let's go, little engine! Oh. No, no, no! Start, you silly thing! Yes, good boy!
Here we go! Plow time!
Whoops! Eep, silly hat! Rain? No yet. Keep going. Faster, faster! Almost there. Whew. Not much left. Big rocks. Yes! We did it! Did it!
Done. Just in time.
Inside! Quick! Safe! So wet.
Good and clean.
Warm now.
Good work, Max. Good work.
My beautiful farm. Every plant happy, just like Max. Ooh, ooh, ah. What? But Max just watered you. What's wrong, little friends?
Water leaking? This way. Max investigates.
Oh no! My water pipe! All the water gone!
No, no, no. Max must stop it. But it's too strong. This is a big problem. Max needs a big solution. Aha!
Max knows just what to do. Max has a plan.
Big problem. Big machine. Max is ready.
Almost there. Max is a strong monkey. Oof.
Whoa! Big noise. Big power.
Max likes it. Straight, Max, straight.
Ugh! Wobbly machine.
Okay, Max, time to focus. Big hole, little monkey.
Whoa! Too much! Max needs more practice. Slowly, Max. Control the beast. Dig, dig.
Yes, Max did it. Now, the real work begins.
Stupid rock! Max needs you gone. Move! Take that, Rock. Max is stronger. Woohoo!
All right, Pipe. Max sees you now. Time for Operation Fix It.
New pipe, wrench, sealant. Max is a master plumber. Ooh, ooh. Ugh, this mud. Pipe, stay still. Max needs help from Max.
Tight! Max fixed it. So tired.
Okay, water, come back. Max needs you.
It works! It works! Max did it! Water! Woohoo!
Now, cover it up. Max makes it look like new.
Almost done. Max leaves no trace. Well, almost no trace.
Big job. Max did it. Time for a break. Ah, my happy plants. All thanks to Max and his big machine.
Sweetest tomato. Max earned this. Best farmer monkey. Good job, Max. A true professional.